Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download the brother MFC-J430W printer driver and download. Okay, scanner driver also, printer driver also, and how to install. So first guys, your printer connect to your desktop and laptop via printer USB cable, and then open any browser to Google search box to type like that, and then first URL, which is the support.brother.com, this official website. So you can download driver from this website only. Okay, because of this is official na, that's why. Okay, so click on it. Different OS, you can see the Linux also there. If you connect to mobile, also there. Okay, and iOS or Android. Okay, Linux, it can see two different versions also there. And then Windows, in the Windows 10, Windows 11, and Windows 10 6430 will do both available server and server also there, and all the installations process in the Windows is same. Okay, so you can see this video and you can install the printer in your system. Okay, then click to OK, then it will open new page. So this is your printer driver. Okay, and this is you can see this is local, and same you can see this is size same. Okay, and for firmware also there. So click to printer driver, scroll down, this is download icon, click on it. After that it will start in the download box, you can see here, and this is 24 MB size of this driver, and it will easily complete it. Then it is completed, then click on this icon, otherwise it will not show. So open this folder where it is downloaded. So it's download in the desktop. Okay, this is your extracted driver. Okay, so just select this and right click to click on open. It will extract on same location. If you want to different, so it's okay. Okay, the extract, and this is successfully completed. This is 64. So open this folder, this is your total driver. Okay, so this is your all driver. Then minimize all, then click to start, and then click on setting, then click on network and device, then click printer and scanner, then click add printer and scanner, click on add device, and after the within 5 seconds it will open the manual options. After click the add device like this, add new device, and then click. So different method you can install. This is shared printer by name. So if already connected to different computer, so if you want to connect on this system, so you can connect. This is connect via the printer and host name. This is the connect wireless and Bluetooth, and this is the local. Okay, so now before the installations, you on your printer and connect to this system. Okay, via printer USB cable. Okay, then next, and by default this will take the printer port primary, then next. Okay, after that click on have disk and click to browse, go to download, and this is earlier which is extract folder, and then open it and select this inf, any inf.inf folder, and then click to open, then click to OK. Then now we find out the printer MFC-J430W. Okay, this is your printer, and then next. Now this is installing, so it will complete in the second, then next, then finish. Okay, now your printer is installed, and after you will then restart your printer and your system also, and then click to test print, so it will come to your printer. Okay, yeah, thank you. If any issue, so please comment me. I will support you how to, if any issue regarding that.